Ever wonder why your makeup looks heavy, patchy or cakey instead of looking like natural and flawless? Don't worry, I'm here to tell you. So don't worry, today I'm going to tell you do's and don'ts for natural makeup. So hey everyone, I'm Harsha Chitale, cosmetologist and makeup artist, also your one-stop solution for beauty and makeup tips. So let's get started. Here I'm going to create one white line to show a difference between do's and don'ts, so that in the end of the video you'll know what you're doing wrong and what's the correct method. After cleaning your face, first step is moisturizing. So apply moisturizer even you are using a hydrating primer. Don't use primer directly. Next step is primer. Never use a primer on your full face as I'm doing. Use a primer on the T-zone only where the oil comes out. This will hold your makeup for a longer time. Now let's talk about color correction. Don't ever use bright orange color even if you are dusky skin. Mix the orange color corrector with your skin shade, or you can use exact same shade as well, so it won't create a layer. I mean to say you don't need to neutralize it afterwards. Again, apply the color correction only where needed, where you have dark circles on mouth area, hyperpigmentations or any acne mark. Don't use it all over your face. If you are doing the same mistake applying foundation directly onto your face, you need to stop. Take the product on back of your hand, then activate it and then blend it. You can use a mixing palette as well. In this way the product will blend better and you will need much less product. And on the other hand, you will need much more product and it will be harder to blend as the product is not activated, and also it will create a thick layer onto your skin. And that's where the layering starts and your makeup will look cakey or patchy. Now look at the difference. Only using one pump of foundation, the difference is pretty clear, right? And you can see how the color correction shade matters. Now the concealing part, don't draw big triangles, it will create unnecessary layer. Also see the difference where I applied orange color corrector, I need to neutralize it, so that's why I need more product. And on the other side I've already neutralized my shade, so a little bit of concealer just to highlight my high points are more than enough. Also, that's the secret for natural and flawless makeup. Now the blending part, never use the same brush or same blender that you use to blend your foundation. That will blend the shade of your concealer to your foundation and it will look same. So no more blending with same brush or same blender unless you are pro and you know which side you have used. Instead of take a concealer blending brush, or there are some beauty blenders, small beauty blenders available in market only for concealer, you can use that one as well, and just gently tap the concealer part. You don't need to blend it hard because concealer itself is a next layer and you don't need to blend it into the foundation for the same shade. You need to highlight that area. Blend the concealer well and it will help to uplift your features. Just look at the results and you will find out which side looks natural and which side looks cakey. Most important step, but here most of us makes this mistake. Don't apply setting powder directly onto your face, it will make unnecessary layer. Instead of that, emulsify the powder on back of your hand and then apply it. Because when you apply setting powder directly onto your face, it will dry out your face and it will cause creases as well. Just apply the powder very light-handedly. We don't have to blend that, and just look at the difference. You can also use that powder to define your face, and now where you have applied powder directly, you have to remove it. And I'm sure it will make your face very dry. And also you can see the patches that caused by applying powder directly. Now the blush shade, choose the blush shade according to your skin tone. Don't go for too much darker or too much lighter. It will create unnecessary attention towards your cheeks and it will look so much gaudy. Instead of that, choose the shade that matches to your undertone. Yes, I'm saying undertone. That will give you that natural flush of blush and results are in front of you. Now contour. Contour is for to define your face. So choose a color that will add warmth and definition to your skin. Instead of using too much darker shade, that will create unnecessary patches and that may spoil your look as well. Just look at it, the dark shade is really hard to blend as you have already created your base, and it becomes a very time taking process to blend a darker shade contour. Okay, if you are using cream or liquid product, you can use it with the base as well. Now start the main part that will be center of attraction of your makeup, that is eye makeup. If you are someone who loves broad eyebrows like me, just start with the brushing the eyebrows to give a structure. Next, take the light shade eyeshadow and set the base first instead of directly starting with your eye makeup. Without base, your color will not pop as expected. Now just see the magic. I've removed the excess product from the brush and blending it only on outer corner of my eye. and just look at the result. I'm doing it really light-handedly. Blend the product either in back and forth motion or in a circular motion. Don't drag the eyeshadow. Here, when we apply two shades like darker and lighter, don't use the same brush. As you can see here, the lighter shade is getting mixed with the darker shade and it won't create that dramatic effect. Instead of that, take a new brush, or if you are applying shimmers, then you can apply with your fingertips as well. Here I am applying the light shade shimmer with my fingertips, and just look at the results where it is giving me such dramatic effect without any efforts. Yeah, it's that much simple. Now just look at the differences. I am using the same eyeshadows on both eyes. Now the most simple yet tricky part, that is applying kajal. Never apply kajal on your lash line even if you want to create some smoky effect on lower lash line. Apply the kajal on waterline first and make sure you are applying evenly on your waterline so that it will create kind of outline to your eyes. Now take a brush and the darker shade that you used earlier and start smudging it so it will create a smoky effect. Now for liner, draw a liner with small lines. Don't drag the line so it will create unnecessary broadness to your eyeliner. By the way, I have already uploaded one eyeliner tutorial, very simple. Go and check that out. Now as the blush, choosing highlighter shade is also important. Choose the highlighter that is matching to your skin. Like for dusky skin, go for golden or copper shades, because choosing a lighter shade of highlighter can make your face look like chunky. Now setting spray, use the setting spray with certain distance to your face, because I've seen people using setting spray very closer to face. Anyway, that's water, and instead of setting your makeup, it can melt up your makeup and it may make your skin more darker. Now here's the result. Look at this, it is melting my makeup instead of setting it, and when I'm trying to blend it, it will remove your makeup completely. Now the lipstick, I know everybody applies lipstick, but applying lip liner with lipstick can make a big difference to your makeup game. Lip liner gives a structure to your lips. It will hold your lipstick for a longer time. You will definitely experience less fading or less smudging of your lipstick. Just look at it, same lipstick but big difference. Okay, I must have skipped the mascara part, but here it is. Apply the mascara on both lash line, like both lashes, upper and lower. Some people just apply it on upper lashes. Applying on both sides will make your eyes look bigger. And now we are ready, and I hope you got the answers what you're doing wrong, and I hope it will help you guys. And obviously winner is here. And if you still have some doubts, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. And I hope you got to know what does it mean by natural makeup. And thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Till then, bye bye. And yeah, let me know what would you like to watch in the next video.